So today's video I have an update for y'all. She just moved in this house. Why is she packing the house up? Why is she leaving again? Yeah, we are finally about to jump back into the moving series. I'm packing it back up again, unpacking, packing again, unpacking. Hey y'all, welcome back. If you are new, I'm Ryan Michelle. So today's video I have an update for y'all. We finally have some dates and we can start packing this house up, cleaning this house, and getting it prepared to move, y'all. I'm so excited. It took a little bit longer than expected, but we're still making kind of like good timing. We really didn't want to be moving through the winter storm, so it actually worked out for us a little bit. It didn't move too fast, and then it's not moving too slow, if you know what I mean. But anywho, we finally have some dates. The movers will be here in 2 weeks to pack the house up. But in the meantime, we will start the cleaning process. We will start the prepping process because I gotta get a lot of things prepped for the movers to pack all of the stuff. We will not be that long without our stuff. Kind of like in Germany, we had to wait like 2 months for our things to arrive. That's not the case here. Once we arrive to New York, we should be getting our things the following week. So it won't be too bad. We won't be too long without our stuff. So it's really not necessary to overpack. But I will be creating different piles for us to take to New York. It is going to be cold next month in October in New York. We are moving to upstate New York. So we are going to experience Germany all over again, 10 times worse. So yeah, that means snowsuits, snow boots, gloves, hat, the whole shebang all over again. And I'm not mad about it because we are really excited to be bringing the family back together again. If you've been here for a minute, I'm not going to go into detail as to why we did decide to stay in Georgia, but yeah, go back and watch a few videos. I'll actually leave that video down below. I know if you are just dropping in here and there, you're like, dang, she's moving out of this house. She just moved in this house. Why is she packing the house up? Why is she leaving again? Definitely just go back and watch a few videos, okay? Before the movers get here, I will probably have about 2 parts of me prepping and making sure things are all situated before the movers get here. It won't be as chaotic because we pretty much decluttered the garage on one of these episodes. So I will link the entire playlist down below so you can catch up on that. But I don't know, y'all. I'm saying it, but y'all know how I am. It may happen, it may not happen. Once the movers get here, pack the house up. Hopefully it doesn't take them longer than a day. If it does, they shouldn't be here like all day. So yeah, I will be recording that, bringing y'all along with that. After that process, I will do a final move out clean. We are going to keep our property. I've already explained that as well, but I will do a full move out clean, and we'll touch up some places like around the fireplace. It needed some paint. In the living room, like little places just need a little bit of touch up with paint and a few like patches on the wall from the kids or whatever. But y'all know I keep a pretty clean house, so the move out clean should not be that crazy. Once all of that is situated, today is actually September 11th, so we still have, like I said, about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks before the movers come and pack up our things. But the timeline may change. If you are familiar with how the military works, things change all the time. Dates change all the time. But we should be moving into our house mid-October, our new house. We already know what house. We already have an address. We already have housing. And that is what we were really waiting on. We did not want to move there and have to sit in a hotel for weeks, months, and all of that stuff when we have a house here. So that was the holdup. So we finally have housing in New York, so we will be living on base. And yeah, we pretty much already know what the house is going to look like, the layout, all of that good stuff. Of course, once we get there, I will give you guys a house tour, of course, and we will start the move-in unpacking process all over again, y'all. I swear my channel pretty much revolves around unpacking, decluttering, unpacking, decluttering, packing again, decluttering it again, packing it back up again, unpacking, packing again, unpacking. Like, girl. But it's all good, y'all. I'm well seasoned in this military lifestyle now. I just wanted to give you guys some updates on the moving process. Hopping back into the moving series. This is a quick update, little update before we start on the next episode. But I think this should be episode 5. Also, we're gonna do like a partial move, but I feel like it's really not necessary for us to do that, being that the timeline is just so close together, and it's really not needed because we're not gonna be that long without our stuff. I still have to enroll the kids in their new school district. It's just so much I have to do, y'all. The list is extremely long, but I'm gonna get it together. Travis is gonna fly down so we can get some stuff around here done that I can't do, or I can't do alone. Like the TV's on the wall, the TV over the fireplace, that thing is huge. Who's finna do that? Not me. The curtains downstairs, just certain stuff that I really can't do, and then so he could do a lot of more stuff around the house too and get it ready. So yeah, we are finally about to jump back into the moving series. I am so excited, y'all. Like I said, if you missed anything, go back and watch and catch up. But I just wanted to give you all a few new updates and whatnot. I feel like I'm missing something, but we got a lot to do, y'all. We got to get that pantry. We got to hit up so many areas, y'all, and I got to stop buying too much food. I really have cut back on buying a lot of stuff, and I really just need to concentrate on buying exactly what we need for the week, and don't buy nothing new until something runs out, or use what we already have. But yeah, that is pretty much the video. I just wanted to give y'all a moving update. It's just so crazy that I'm saying that again, and I am going to miss my house. Like, military housing just don't have the newer things, like the newer appliances and stuff like that. Whatever the case may be, I'm still very much grateful because we're not homeless and we're not living in harsher conditions. So I am grateful for military housing, but I'm going to miss my kitchen. I'm gonna miss my shower, my tub. I am gonna miss that. I'm also gonna miss my family. Luckily, New York is only a 2-hour flight, so if need be, I can come home when I need to come home, compared to being in Germany where it was just really hard. So yeah, but yeah, that's it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the new update. We got dates, y'all. We are about to start this series, and yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know. Yeah, but I will see y'all on the next video, whether you're watching in the morning, the afternoon, or the evening. I hope you have a good one. Bye, y'all.